Hi to all, this is Chandrasekhar Panda. I am the author of pharmaceuticalupdates.com. Today we will discuss about good documentation practices in pharmaceutical. So what is document? A piece of written, printed or electronics matter that provides information or evidence or proof of any activity that serves as an official record. Why good documents are required in pharmaceutical? If it is not documented, it did not happen, and we document to provide the written proof that something happened. Point number 2, for regulatory requirements and business reasons, intent of making quality product or cost saving improvements. Number 3, to compliance with the Foods and Drugs Administration FDA good laboratory practices regulations 21 Code of Federal Regulations Part 58 as well as GMP good manufacturing practices regulations for drugs and medical devices requires the use of good documentation practices. Good documentation practices apply to everyone who documents the activity related to CGMP, current good manufacturing practices. A key to good documentation practice is to consider these questions each time you record your raw data. Is it true? Is it accurate? Is it timely? And is it legible? What is good manufacturing practices GMP? It is a system for ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to the quality standards. It is designed to minimize the risk involved in any pharmaceutical production that cannot be eliminated through testing the final product. What is current good manufacturing practices? CGMP. The letter C stands for current, reminding manufacturers that they must employ technologies and systems that are up to date in order to comply with the regulations. What is standard operating procedure SOP? A standard operating procedure is a set of written instructions that document a routine or repetitive activity which is followed by employee in an organization. Instructions to be followed for good documentation practices in pharmaceutical. Write what you do what is written. Once again, write what you do what is written. Then documents shall be made clearly readable, legible, accurate, prompt, and consistent with waterproof, non-fadable writing instrument so that information cannot be erased or changed and easy to understand. Then all documents or data should be written, signed and dated with permanent ink pen. Dates shall be written on the documents in the pattern of DDMMYY or DDMMYYYY, and for the time use 24 hours clock. No AM or PM shall be used. Time format shall be as HSMM, and wherever applicable time format shall be as hour, minute and second. Any mistake while recording the data during operation should not be corrected with whitener, eraser and overwriting on the same. Then in such cases the wrong word is to be cancelled with horizontal cut line or striking of the single line that are wrong and rewrite the correct word with ink pen. After cancellations and necessary corrections, the concerned person should put the valuable reason, if applicable, with signature and date. The reasons such as entry error, calculation error, printing error, transcriptional error, typographical error, etc. can be used as applicable and as suitable. If sufficient space is not available for writing the reason, corrections shall be numbered sequentially from 01 and same shall be described at bottom of the respective page by concerned person with signature and date. Then document entry should be done only by authorized person for that operation, and don't use pencil for writing the documents or data. Where the inkjet or even any other printer are used for presenting the data, the printing must be dark, clear, readable. All the computer generated reports must be reviewed, signed, and dated. It is preferably that the documents shall be prepared on A4 size paper. That for batch manufacturing record, BMR and batch packing record, BPR, analytical worksheet, qualification documents, validation protocols, or other CGMP documentation. Photocopy of any document without stamp shall be considered as uncontrolled document. Use of the thermal paper for printing or documentation is to be avoided. Wherever required for printout, clear photocopy, duly signed and dated, shall be attached. Ditto marks shall not be used for documentation. Bracketing shall not be done for documentation. In case issued document required entry of additional data, information addition of text matter which is not provided in the document, same shall be written legibly and shall be initiated by the person making the entry. Whenever more than one option is available, encircle or tick the options which one is applicable, that batch manufacturing record, analytical worksheet, etc. Then come to know that what are the do's and the don'ts. Do's: the standard operating procedure SOP shall be prepared to make the word work simple, understanding the subject, and for systematic working. The display copy of the standard operating procedure should be available in the respective area or near the equipment and the instrument. Always use approved current formats data sheets for recording the data. In case of any change or clarity or amendments related to procedure, practical applicability, as mentioned in the standard operating procedure, consult the concerned supervisor department head. Always follow the procedure mentioned in the standard operating procedure for effective and good documentation. If required, a remark shall be entered for any incorrect entry by the concerned operator or supervisor. Always maintain online documentation first, perform the activity, and then immediately document the same to achieve errorless document. Then don'ts: don't bypass any step of the standard operating procedure to make the work easy for recording the data. In case of any change or clarity or amendments related to procedure, practical applicability, as mentioned in the standard operating procedure, consult the concerned supervisor department head. Always follow the procedure mentioned in the standard operating procedure for effective and good documentation. If required, a remark shall be entered for any incorrect entry by the concerned operator or supervisor. Always maintain online documentation first, perform the activity, and then immediately document the same to achieve errorless document. Then don'ts. Don't bypass any step of the standard operating procedure to make the work easy. Once again, don't bypass any step of the standard operating procedure to make the work easy. Don't use any other method or procedure in place of the written approved procedure. Better in case of a better way of executing the procedure with a concerned supervisor or department head, and implement only on revision of the respective document. Don't document the activity before or without performing the activity. Don't keep any column blank. All cell provided for the recording of data shall be filled. When a particular point is not applicable, it should be written as NA.